Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a JEWLYBOX for you. So JEWLYBOX, I have done some unboxings in the past, but I haven't gotten one in a while. They have changed some things up. So it used to be a monthly box and you had a couple of options and it was $29.99 a month for 3 pieces, and then you had a larger box with 5 pieces that was like $39.99. Well, they are now a quarterly box, but they have raised the prices. So for a 3-piece jewelry box, it is going to be $49.99. The idea behind the price change being that they will give you higher quality jewelry. I didn't think there was any problem with the quality of the jewelry before. I liked tons of pieces that I got, but something interesting happened about a week before I got this box. Now, first of all, JEWLYBOX didn't tell me that they were going to send me a new box. I got it and it was a surprise and I was delighted. But right before I got my box, somebody had commented on one of my older videos, outraged. Just livid that they had paid more for this box, expecting more, and they hated the jewelry that they got. So I was a little bit nervous, but let's see. You know, I mean, you do fill out a profile, so it could just be that they kind of guessed incorrectly. I don't know that it's necessarily the qualities she was complaining about as much as the actual style of the pieces. So, okay, let's see. Oh, I have a cute little note in here, and I have a discount code that gets you half off of your first box with the code Rebecca50. I will leave that in the description box as well. Okay, well that's awesome. Okay, so this part looks similar. It actually seems smaller, like it comes in this larger box, but this, I remember them being a bit taller. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we've got some earrings here. Those look cute, right? I can see those working. Okay, let's see what else we have before I try these things on. Okay, a little bracelet. Okay, here, let me take it out of the plastic so you can actually see it, right? Okay, oh, this is cute. See, it's got, you know, this is cute. It's got a couple little, and it has one of those closures where you basically just, you know, tighten it like that. What box did I get recently that had these same kind of closures that I love? Here, let me just throw this on while I have it here. So that's cute, right? I like this. More earrings. Okay, here, let me show you the different pairs of earrings. I'll do one on each ear for you. All right, so these are these crazy looking little flower things and the petals kind of move. That's interesting. Okay, these are interesting. They're like a hard plastic. They kind of hang funny. Here, let me zoom you in. Okay, so they kind of hang funny. Like that's, you know, let me squeeze that back on a little bit. No, that's not really helping. Okay, so they kind of hang funny on my ears. You know, maybe I have droopy earlobes, I don't know. But like if they were up like this, I think it would look better. All right, so let me try on the other ones. Oh, it's like straw. I thought it was gonna be more like a fringe, but it's actually like straw. They look crooked. Do I have this on the wrong ear? Okay, maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, what do you think? I definitely like the bracelet. Okay, let me zoom you out again. Okay, so, I don't know that I love these. These I feel like could go with the right outfit in kind of a funky vintagey sort of a look. These ones, I don't like the straw. The straw is actually poking me in the neck as it kind of dangles there, and it's a little crooked. But that's just style-wise, but quality-wise, do I feel like these are worth the price increase? And right now, I feel like I'm not sure. But see, I didn't think that there was anything wrong with the quality before either. So I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Let me hear from you. I want to know what you think. Do you subscribe to JEWLYBOX, and what did you think about the new box, the new price increase, etc.? Were you happy with the pieces you got? If you don't have this, what do you think? Would you pay $50 for these 3 pieces of jewelry? I am really curious to hear from you guys and see what you think about this. Now, having worked with JEWLYBOX in the past and knowing that they have changed, I feel like they would be open to your guys' feedback and wanting to know how to improve their company, what they can do better, what you like, that sort of thing. So definitely let me know. All right, well, thank you to JEWLYBOX for sending this my way so that I can share it with you guys, and the awesome discount code. That's great. It's not like an affiliate. I'm not making money off of this. It's just for you guys. Just FYI, I feel like that's become a thing lately. Anyway, thank you to JEWLYBOX, and thank you guys for watching. I always love and appreciate you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!